In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can print a flight ticket from trip.com. First, you will need to sign into the account which you made the purchase with. Here, if you go into flights and let's say that you purchased a ticket, then all you need to do is to click on your profile icon in the top right, and then you will go into My Bookings. From here, it is going to display all of your available bookings, so flight tickets and everything that you have. If you want, you can also sort it simply by flights here from the left hand side. And if we go back, then you will see this button, export. You can just click on export and then choose what you want to export. It's going to export up to 100 records at a time, and train tickets here you can read more about it. But basically you will just export your ticket. It is going to be in PDF format and you will be able to print it. Or another thing that you can do is to check your email address which is associated with your flight ticket, and then you will get or should have gotten the flight ticket as PDF format attached to the email when you made the purchase. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.